Hey everybody, this is the first video in the Ichimoku trading system library and playlist. We're going to break this down in a few different sections just to make it more digestible. First off, everything in this video is considered informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. It's not financial advice. With that being said, what we'll cover today is some real basic stuff, just start at a high level view. We're going to talk about what the components are to the Ichimoku system. We're going to talk about how you can use this and what its purposes are, and how you may not want to use this in consideration to what kind of trade that you're looking to play, whether it's a breakout, whether it's a reversal, so on and so forth, trend confirmation, momentum. All right, so looking at this chart here, it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming. I assure you, after this video series, you'll have a better understanding of what the Ichimoku system can do and the information that you can derive from it. So with that being said, the first line that we want to focus on here is, and for me, I said it as the blue line, which is the Tenkin, and the Tenkin is the conversion line. Okay, it's essentially a slower moving exponential moving average for all intents and purposes. Then we have the baseline, which is known as and referred to as the Kijun. Okay, that's also an exponential moving average, but it's a slower moving average, so it doesn't hug price quite as tight. The third thing that we want to focus on is the lagging span. Okay, and here I got it like a little darker shade, or I'm sorry, a lighter shade of green. And you can see how it lags price a little bit. So there's some information we can derive from that, which we'll cover in a later video. And there are specific settings that you want for this that are specifically tailored to crypto and cryptocurrency trading. And again, we'll dive into that as well too. For now, I want to just touch on a little bit on the purposes and the reasons that you'd use the Ichimoku system. So the Ichimoku system is not used for timing and entering trades at reversals for tops or bottoms of a price move. Quite the contrary, it's used to confirm trend direction and momentum. And really what you want to do is, depending on how the Ichimoku system with the Tenkin span, the Kijun, the relation between the Tenkin and the Kijun, price relation between the cloud, how it all fits together, really what you're going to do is you're going to wait for roughly the first 20% of the move to occur so that you can get confirmation and avoid any fake outs or bull or bear traps, what have you, and take advantage on a validated higher quality entrance for a better risk reward ratio to capture the remaining 80%. Okay, so to sum that up, the Ichimoku system you're not going to use for reversals at the tops or bottoms of a price move. Okay, it's meant to capture 80% of the move by waiting for your setups within the Tenkin, within your Kijun, and how price is behaving relative to the Kumo, how it all fits together. You're going to wait for those components to give you a strong signal after the first 20% of the move has happened so that you can capture a higher quality entry and ride the remaining 80%. All right, so that'll do it for the first video. Follow us and check us out on the next the next video series. We'll talk about how to set up your Ichimoku indicator settings and calibrate your tools for it within Coinigy. Thanks so much.